jumping like little rain frogs. Gently, my little chefs. Don't get it all over, sweetie.
More pillows, more! Careful, little bunny. We're hiding from the rain monster.
You two are soaked. Once upon a time, in a forest lit by stars.
Look, a rainbow! It's magic! Wow, so pretty!
إذا أعجبكم الفيديو لا تنسوا الاشتراك في القناة.